my name is Renuka. Welcome back to my channel. In the last episode, in the last video, we made these cards, and this is like quite a big card, 5x7 card, and then I want this border, so I make this border. And now if you are making card like this, which is kind of a DIY, and you want to create a quick envelope for them, then what you're gonna do is, this is very simple. I will tell you how to make the DIY any size card envelope, and you will be amazed by seeing this very simple technique, and anyone can do it, nothing fancy, pretty easy. So first of all, this is my paper which is I'm using. This is the little bit thinner paper, and it's come in a stack. I bought it from the Michaels, and this one is the scrapbook paper. It's a 12 by 12 paper, and now we're gonna score this. So for scoring, you can use the bone folder. If you don't have the bone folder, you can use your credit cards like this one. Any card will do. So first of all, I'm just saying that okay, this one is nice. Then I'm kind of making mark with my hand. My card is just inside. I didn't do anything with the card, and then I will put another mark here. Then I will do another mark. Now you can see that it is a little bit wonky. Depend on the paper and the size, and the different size, you will get this kind of effect on your envelope. So what we will do, we're gonna just trim off the excess. We just get exactly what we want inside, and if you want, you can just trim off this excess. This is a little bit like corner round punch you can use if you want. So this is the thing. Now it's gonna flip-flop like this, and we have a little bit there which we don't want, right? So we will cut that afterwards. And now first of all, we want to cut this and create a nice flap here. So before sticking down anything, whatever you want to cut, you should go first. In this case, we are just cutting these corners. Now you can cut right now these corners also if you want, or if you want to create a triangular shape flap, then use your pencils. Take a middle of this. You can measure it, or you can just eyeball it. So if I'm taking this is 7 and near about little bit more than half, so 3.5, and I will take this one. This is my point, and then I will draw a line something like here, and then I will join. It's very light, so you might not be see that line, so I'm just making a little bit more here, and then you're gonna just, now you can use your scissors, you can use your craft knife. You don't have to be perfect for this one. You can do the same thing for these flaps also. If you want the perfect flap, you can do that, or you can just draw one. Like if this one, if you feel that this one is the perfect for you, you can just match these here. Okay, and then I'm just matching these corners, and then I'm just adding this, so we can cut that. First of all, we will cut this flap. No, I say no measurement means you can take a middle or something like that, or if you just want to eyeball it, if you don't want to use your ruler, still it's okay. And here also we can cut this excess, and or we can just, you know, give it a notch here if you want. And we want to cut this one excess also, this part here excess also, and if you want, we can cut this part. So what we will do, again, I'm not measuring, I'm using the scale, but I'm not measuring anything. I'm just using this corner to corner, and then I'll go little bit up, so that whatever cut I'm making will not do any harm. We can do same thing for this side. We'll go first corner to corner like this, then we'll go little bit up and make a pencil mark. So what we are doing, we are making, we can just glue that and our envelope is ready. But here in our first position, as I told you, but here what we are doing, we are making it more nicer looking. Okay, now you can see we have this flap. If you want, we can cut this one also. Again, I think I cannot keep it. It's not looking that bad with this, and we can erase those afterwards. So after doing this, you can see that we are kind of matching here. So other thing is, you can just flip this or you can cut it. Both the way will work. I'm just putting this one here, and I will put another side also. Now for particularly this one, you can just take a scissors and just remove the excess. You can remove those lines by using eraser. Just like that. These are pencil marks. I made this pencil mark a little bit darker because I want to show you on the video. But if you are doing, you don't have to. And then you can just slide your card inside. And you will got a really nice envelope. Now again, you can trim these sides if you want more to make it a nice fit. You can adjust a little bit if you want. That's totally optional. But this way you can tuck this inside also, or you can put it like this. So rather than doing the speed thing, I thought let's make a tall envelope, something like that, which I also enjoyed a lot. And it's also very easy to make. It is kind of a paperback package envelope. So if you have a scoring board, you can use scoring board. If you don't have, you can just put your card here, fold on this side, then just give little bit of room there, then again fold on this side. So yeah, they are nicely overlapping. And then now we want to create a just vertical and horizontal flip for it. I think it's little bit more bigger, so I need more. Here I think this much will do better. And then either you can feel with your hand or you can just cover half of it to see your card face. Again, you can use the scoreboard. I'm not using scoreboard. I'm just putting this very fast and easy way of making your card envelopes. So now we have these 4 corners. We just have to join this one, then we have to cut these. So either this or this will be your front. You need to cut these. So for particularly for this one, I will cut it like this. This one. And then I have to see which marking. Okay, this one is like inside one. So for particularly this one also, now it's time to stick. So we have to stick these 2 flaps, then we will stick this one, and that will our opening. So for particularly this one, I will just make an angle. Here also we can make an angle. Now here I may not make it straight, so let's make it straight. Now it's good. Now for particularly this one, we can just add this inside, or we can put this flap inside and we can just seal this. Both the ways will work. I'm just making it very straight. So I will just put little bit of glue here and little bit there. So you're gonna just flip these. So this is our opening. Now you can use the border punches. I'll show one of these. Okay. So you can use these kind of border punches if you have. If you don't want that go fancy, you can just trim off the excess. Where is my scissors? Okay. So you can just trim off the excess little bit on this side, and then you can match that like this, and you can cut on same on this side. If you want, you can round up these if you want to, and if you don't want, you can just keep aside and you can just put your greeting card. So you can go crazy and add more things, add borders or do something like that, put white on it, and that will be things. So these are the 2 envelopes we made for our 2 unknown handmade greeting cards, cause we are like, we are making this DIY kind of stuff. So it is very simple. You can go ahead and use whichever technique you like. Bye bye.